Now let's see the short forms in the present continuous tense. Are you speaking English? Are you speaking English? You can say, yes, I'm speaking English. Or, no, I'm not speaking English. And in order not to repeat the whole sentence, we can use the short forms. Remember, we usually use short forms in spoken English, in spoken language. So if the question is, are you speaking English? You can say, yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Or, is Mary working now? Is Mary working now? You can say, of course, the whole sentence. Yes, Mary is working now. Or, yes, she is. Yes, she is. Or the negative. No, Mary is not working now. And the short form. No, she isn't. No, she's not. No, she isn't. No, she's not. Are they playing basketball now? Are they playing basketball now? Yes, they are playing basketball now. Or the short answer, yes, they are. Yes, they are. Or, no, they are not playing basketball now. No, they are not playing basketball now. Or the short answer, no, they are not. No, they are not. Or, no, they aren't. No, they aren't. At this point, I would like to show you, or I would like to tell you to pay attention, special attention to this. What do you do? What are you doing? What do you do? And the answer can be, I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm a student. But what are you doing? I'm standing. I'm speaking English. I'm learning English. These sentences are sometimes confusing. They are similar, but they are completely different. What do you do means what do you do for a living? What's your job? What's your profession? But what are you doing means literally now. What are you doing now? Standing, sitting, learning, playing what? And we should introduce one more question here. It may also be confusing. So, what do you do? What are you doing? How are you? What do you do? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, thank you. I'm great, thank you. Now let's see how we make questions with the present continuous tense. If the sentence is, my son is taking a dog for a walk. My son is taking a dog for a walk. So we use present continuous, it means now. We can make an ordinary interrogative sentence by changing the places of the subject and the auxiliary. Is your son taking a dog for a walk? Is your son taking a dog for a walk? Or we may ask, what is your son taking for a walk? Or who is your son taking for a walk? Or when is your son taking a dog for a walk? So, if we want to start our questions with question words, the word order has to be this: question word, auxiliary, subject, main verb, question mark.